Picking friends. Susie made up a game at recess. Her game was to pick which girls got to play with her. Sometimes she would pick one girl, and sometimes she would pick two. It always hurt the other girls' feelings when they did not get picked. One day, no one wanted to play with Susie. She felt so sad, and she sat on the bench by herself. A group of her friends walked over to her and said that she could play with all of them together. They said Susie had hurt their feelings by only picking one girl at a time. Now, question 1 says, what is the moral of the story? And when we think of the moral, we think of everything that happened in this story, and we think, what did the character learn through what happened to her? So I want you to pause the video and take a minute to think what you think the moral or the lesson is that you learned through Susie's actions. Pause the video and write your answer on line 1. Then hit play when you're ready. Number 2, how do you know that this is the moral of the story? So boys and girls, what in this text, what events or what actions helped you decide that this was the moral? I want you to go into the story and underline some evidence that proves how you know that was the moral. And put a number 2 next to it. Hit pause now and do that. Finally, number 3, what did the character learn about her own life? I want you to think about Susie and what you think she learned about her own life through the events that took place in this story. So what happened to her and what did she learn about her own life? Hit pause and do that now. And then you are done.